This is how to buy Pump.fun crypto here in Canada on Robinhood. Once you guys have Robinhood open, go to the bottom in the middle and select the search icon. Once you're here at the top where it says search by name or symbol, just start typing in Pump.fun or ticker symbol pump and then press it. Once you have it up, go to the bottom and press buy. Then on this page, you can go to the top right to where it says market order and choose your order type. I will leave it at market order in Canadian dollars. Now, you can type in the amount of Pump.fun crypto you want to purchase. So for example, if you wanted to buy $5 worth, you would type in 5 and then press review. You can then review how much Pump.fun crypto you're purchasing, the total fees, as well as the total cost. And if this looks good to you and you want to proceed, go to the bottom and swipe up to submit the order. So that is how you guys can buy Pump.fun cryptocurrency in Canada on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.